Everyone, this is Andrew Garchik hailing from DP Metal up in North Jersey. This is Design Point's metal 3D printing facility. We also have our composite machines here. I've got the Metal X running behind me, and I'm going to make some videos on that later. And I wanted to show you this really cool herringbone gear that I printed in A2 tool steel. This one's really neat because it's got this unique geometry that actually holds the gears together so they don't move in this direction when they're turning. They naturally pull to the center. It's a really good example of what can be done with 3D printing in metal these days. However, a bit of a bait and switch here. What I really wanted to show you guys today, and we'll be doing a metal video later, I wanted to talk about removing support material from our composite parts. Markforged has amazing composite machines. It's not just metal. They use a patented fiber reinforcement to make the strongest parts in the world, over 20 times stronger than ABS and PLA. And a lot of people have questions about removing the support material, and I understand where they come from. I have some experience on other machines using PLA plastic, and it can be a nightmare. It can be very hard to remove. Markforged uses this onyx material. Onyx is nylon, but it's got microcarbon in it, so it's actually a really strong material just on its own, and then you have the ability to put the reinforcing fibers in. But I picked this part in particular because it's a bit challenging. I mean, the support on the bottom is super easy, comes right off, but then you have these internal channels, which are a little bit more challenging, so I wanted to show you guys something that takes a little bit of effort to show you something that's not super easy to do. So what you're going to need for this to remove supports easily is a pair of needle nose pliers, a couple picks, and that's it. So let me just get started here. First I'm going to remove the easy stuff on the bottom. You just grab it, pull it, and most of the time it'll come off in one piece, and it did. So if you're lucky, you get just one piece there. And then on these little sides, these things almost fall off on their own. That's really easy. Then you get to the channels, right? So this is the area where it could be a little tricky. So what you do is you take your little pick and you just get it started on the side there. Then you take your needle nose pliers, grab it, give it a little wiggle, a turn, and voila. So you get that all out in one piece as well. Just try and do the same thing on the other side. It's exact identical channel. Get it started. Sorry, it's a little hard to do this and then show you guys as well, but this is what I'm doing. I'm getting it started, so then I can grab it, the needle nose pliers, and then you just give it a little wiggle, pull on it. It's like that one didn't come out in one piece. So what I'll do is I'll just kind of give it a push through the other side, and now I can grab it from the middle, and voila, we have a clear channel. The most challenging part is going to be this channel on the end here. What you're going to want to do is reach those needle nose pliers in about as far as you can, and just give it a little turn, slowly work it out. Okay, now you get the front loosened up. And I take my little pick, and I'm going to push this through the middle here. As you can see here, I've got it actually through the middle, and then I'm going to try and just drag all this support out. There we go. And boom, one piece. So I've got a nice clean channel on the end, a little hard to see because it's not a through channel. And we've got our clean channels here. If you like these videos, if you find them useful, helpful, please like them, share them. A lot of people don't watch to the end. If you watch to the end, please comment and just say, hey, I saw the whole video. It's great to know that people are watching. Share it with your friends, and I'll be sure to post some cool videos showing more metal parts like this herringbone gear probably later today, or at least this week. Talk to you guys soon. Thanks so much for watching.